Rachel, you want to come up and say something?
I really liked how you used lots of pot and pan noises. Like, I'm not sure if you actually use pot and pan, but I liked how you made it like sound just like it.
Your instruments gave it a great picture. I can just imagine this 5-star restaurant just going crazy with people running around chopping those onions and making the best dishes they can for hungry customers.
That's a good comment, definitely. And we felt like that with the poem too, that the author did an excellent job describing that kitchen.
The Park by Clarissa. This park, the always joy of kids saying hi and bye as they come and go. The laughter of kids having fun leaves our hearts gleaming with joy. The peaceful sound of singing together, peaceful sound of birds singing together. The rustling of trees on a hot summer day. The relaxing sound of kids going wee as they go down the slide. The cats and dogs that chase each other, and the running feet of stumping on the ground playing tag. The boys playing attracts the crowd, roaring like tigers and lions. The girls create a huge crowd of spectacular cheering and screaming of teamwork. The always joy of this park.
So Clarissa, what do you think?
I like the background music of the thumping of the table that you did during the poem.
Yeah, that was very cool.
I know everyone sang the drumming, which I liked, and I also liked how you kind of mixed the drumming on the table with the drumming with the bongos, and it made it sound really cool.
Megan?
What was that noise that was going almost throughout the whole song?
Was it the drumming? Like, what was someone drumming on the table the whole time?
Yeah, Mike, why don't you go ahead and show that? Michael, come on quickly.
Now?
Yeah, that's great.
Wow.
He's a drummer. The Classroom by Sadie. In the classroom, pencils writing, kids talking, water running, kids talking, yeah. Music playing, chairs squeaking, paper wrinkling, and the beautiful book reading.
Sadie, do you have some comments?
I liked how they did the paper weekly with the
Yeah, that was nice. Eric, you want to come up?
I like how you drummed on the tables.
What did you like about the paper wrinkling? That sound in your ears, like the way it sounded in your head?
Yes. Okay, well, in some parts in Jessica's poem, we're going to have Austin in our class. He has a guitar. We're going to have him play some of the parts in it. He has an electric guitar.
He's setting it up.
He's setting it up right now, so we're waiting for him. Small by Jessica. This small, the always laughter. Doors opening and closing. Pets barking. Music fills the stores. People, as hangers move up and down off the racks. The cash registers opening and closing. Money going in and out. People at food courts eating their food. Smiles on everyone's faces. The always laughter of this mom.
I like electric guitar. I think it made it sound nice and cool.
Olivia, what do you want to say?
Thanks.
I liked how for the food court line, you really made somebody eating something. I think it was an apple. No. Houses by Kelsey. Cats meowing. Meow, meow. Dogs barking. Kids screaming. Big evil brother laughing. You hear the splatter of the paint hitting the wall. It gets silent. Then the little children, laughter from all directions. You yell, why can't anyone be quiet? Your wish finally comes true, 9 o'clock. You say goodnight to everyone. This crazy house, finally quiet, crazy house.
Kelsey, what do you think? Did that sound like you thought it would?
Yeah, actually. I really liked how you made the 9 o'clock ding, so it's almost like, it's like older times. I really like it.
Like a clock with a chime or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Very cool. Someone else has a comment? Adrian, why don't you come up forward? Can you tell us about that?
I like how you guys did the barking cat sounds.
The barking and the cat sound? Nice. Okay, last comment, Elise, and then we're ready for game.
I like how you made like the cats meowing, the dogs barking, and the kids screaming. It reminds me of my crazy house.
Okay.
This baseball game by Zach. The always noise young from the fans all around. All bouncing left to right, and that's smashing in all vocabularies from crash, clash, bang, a roar of booming fans and the results of team home run as the city behind the stadium roars, an orchestra of honking horns, then dead silent crowd waiting for the ball to get out of the air after the loud ear-splitting my ears with the always noise of this great game, baseball.
So Zach, what'd you think?
It was great.
What part did you like?
I liked all of them, but I liked the honking horns with the city and the bad smashing.
Melina?
I really liked when you used the bats, and it really sounded like somebody hitting the baseball at the game. Spring Garden by Rachel. The soft rustle of the leaves of the father of the garden, the cherry blossom tree. The oldest, wisest of the garden.
Swish, swish, a calm but lively whoosh of a younger mother of the garden. Tweety chirp of cheerful bluebirds, the younger guardians of their beloved babes.
The busy buzz of the working honeybees, the tiny flapping wings of the protecting brothers and sisters. I love to be heard by the others. And the cracking crack of the youngest of them all, tiny beacon eyes peering at the new world with a hole in the egg, managing a little yell found his body on his baby bluebird. Youngest of them all, youngest of them all.
And I liked how you used, I think it was some rockers or something for the rustling of the leaves. That was Yeah, that was really awesome.
Thank you, South Paris. That was wonderful.
Bye.